In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Fresha password. This is a key part of managing your Fresha account, ensuring your business's data is secure. Whether you've forgotten your current password and need a new one, or you're just taking a step towards better security practices by regularly updating your credentials, you've come to the right place. Let's start with the very first step you need to take. You'll want to head over to Fresha's website specifically for business users. You can do so by typing https://www.fresha.com/for-business into your web browser's address bar. This will take you directly to the section of Fresha designed with business users in mind. Upon arriving at the Fresha for Business page, the next thing you'll need to do is to log into your account. Look for a login button on the page and give it a click. This is your gateway to accessing all the features that Fresha has tailored for businesses. After clicking on Login, you'll notice there's an option specifically for business users. Select For Business to ensure you're navigating through the correct portal designed for Fresha's business users, like yourself. Now, for the sign-in process. Fresha offers a seamless sign-in experience via Google. So, click on Sign In using Google. This method not only simplifies the login process, but also adds an extra layer of security to your account. After selecting to sign in using Google, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Make sure you pick the account associated with your Fresha profile to avoid any login issues. Once you are logged in, you'll want to navigate to your profile. You can typically find your profile photo at the top right corner of the page. If you're having trouble locating it, it's usually a small round icon. A simple click on it will reveal additional options. Next, among these options, you'll want to select Settings. This will direct you to a page where you can manage your Fresha account settings, including your password. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Change Password. Click on this to initiate the process of updating your current password. It's an important step towards maintaining the security of your account. You'll then be asked to enter your current password. This is a security measure to confirm your identity and ensure that only the account holder can make changes to the account security settings. Following that, it's time to decide on a new password. You'll need to type your new password into the designated field and then type it in again in a second field to verify. Choosing a strong and unique password is crucial for protecting your account against unauthorized access. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to increase the strength of your password. Finally, you're ready to complete the process. Look for a button marked Change Password and click on it. With that, you've successfully updated your Fresha account's password. Changing your password regularly is a good habit to cultivate. It's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to secure your account against potential threats. If you ever feel your account's security has been compromised, don't hesitate to repeat this process and update your password immediately. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to navigate Fresha's business portal and update your password without any hassle. Remember, keeping your account secure is not just about protecting your personal information, but also safeguarding your business and your clients' data. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your Fresha account and many other topics. Stay secure and see you in the next video.